The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium offers smart temperature control, energy savings, and improved home comfort. It includes sensors, app control, voice assistance, and air quality monitoring. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, a SmartSensor, a backplate, and power extender kit, a trim plate, screws with anchors, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. Installation. To install the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, first turn off power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker for safety. Remove the old thermostat, take a photo of the wiring, and note each connection. Power wire, R, heating wire, W1, cooling wire, Y1, fan wire, G, and common wire, C. Disconnect the wires and remove the mounting plate. Install the Ecobee plate on the wall, level it, and secure it with screws. Connect each wire to the matching terminal on the Ecobee plate, making sure each one is locked in place. Attach the thermostat to the plate, press firmly until it clicks, and restore power at the breaker. Then follow the on-screen setup to finish configuration, connect to Wi-Fi, and customize your heating and cooling preferences. How to pair. After restoring power to the HVAC system, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium begins its setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your user type, confirm the detected wiring, choose your temperature units, and select your heating system type. Connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network to enable remote access, weather updates, and energy-saving features. Set your location, time zone, and preferred temperatures, then complete registration in the Ecobee app using the provided registration code. Once connected, you can control the temperature, switch between heat, cool, auto, and off modes, adjust comfort settings, and manage your thermostat remotely through the app. The touchscreen makes temperature adjustments easy, while smart features help keep your home comfortable and efficient. Smart features? The included SmartSensor detects occupancy and temperature in different rooms, helping the thermostat adjust comfort where it matters most and reduce hot or cold spots. The thermostat tracks indoor air quality, provides alerts when conditions change, and can remind you when it is time to check your air filter. Beyond temperature control, Ecobee Premium can work as a home monitoring device with features like smoke alarm detection and security alerts when paired with compatible services. Use voice commands directly from the thermostat with built-in Alexa support and compatibility with smart home assistants for hands-free control. The thermostat learns your routines and provides intelligent energy-saving adjustments to help maintain comfort while reducing unnecessary heating and cooling usage. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. See you at the next one.